What's up, everybody? So we are at Ramona's house, and I'm just going to walk around and show you some of the devastation that ensued from the hurricane. This is Ramona, and this is her place. So this is the work they're doing on the roof. So definitely still a lot of work to be done, but making progress. Ramona does not stop. She reminds me of mi abuela. She just keeps going and going and going. I'm in the word about it. So these fine people have been busting their butts all day long to get this place more ready for Ramona to be able to move back in. Definitely, like I said, still needs a lot of work, but the most important part is done, which is the roof. So no more rain coming in. This is her view, by the way. She's got a beautiful view. I love her view. Out of like pretty much every window, she's got a great view. So yeah, they're just really working hard. Say what's up, say what's up. You guys are awesome. Absolutely awesome people. All doing great work. This is Emily from Protechos. Say hi. You're doing awesome work. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank
for
you
doing what you do.
helping us capture this.
Thank everybody. You got it. My pleasure. So this is the work. This is what they're doing. This is they still, like I said, still have a little bit of work to do on the roof for the kitchen. So a portion of the kitchen needs to be replaced still, but they got most of it, like I said. So that's a good thing. And yeah, we're just trying to keep banging it out. We got rid of a bunch of stuff that maybe had mold on it or was damaged from, a lot of rain pouring in. I think I'll leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody's having an awesome Saturday. And take care.